Hello and welcome to an experimental episode of Ditch the Box. Given that this show is called Ditch the Box, you'd expect me to be holding our product right now. But as an experiment, and just because I am perplexed by the internet and the YouTubist world out there in which people seem to like unboxing videos. I'm not one of them, no offense to anybody that is, but as an experiment, I thought I would try it. Since I have the product in the box, I am going to show you what it looks like when I unbox it. So for the first time ever on Ditch the Box, here is an unboxing video. And I am unboxing the new Logitech Zone 305 headset for business. So normally in unboxing videos, this is where you see all the different sides of the box. The top has the company name. The side has some stuff about Logitune, which is the management application. The other side has some stuff about what's in the box. The base has some information about the warranty, and the back has some information about what it's certified for, how it works, and some more information about the software. So I'm going to unbox it. You pull this little tab. I've actually cut through the little tape that's on there, and you open up the box. And then what's inside the lid of the box is actually a little quick start guide. So quite handy rather than holding a card inside or sending you off to a website. There's just some information about how to use it, how to plug it all in, and all of that sort of good stuff. Open up the flap, and inside the box is the cable. So this is the charging cable. It is a USB-C to C cable. It is gray in color. Feels quite sturdy. Also inside the lid here is a dongle. So this is actually the headset dongle. It's USB-A on the end, but actually if you look at the thing, it is actually just a converter. So this is a little USB-A to C adapter that is used for the actual adapter, which is here, the USB-C adapter. You can see it's got a little light on the top, and the light actually is on the bottom as well. It's got the Logi logo on the end. C to A. So if you've got a free USB-C port, you use the USB-C. If you have a free USB-A port, you can use the USB-A. But one thing about this headset is that there is actually a version that doesn't come with a dongle, and that's because it's also certified for the major platforms without a dongle. So you don't even need the dongle to use the Zone 305. Right, continuing with the unboxing, open up this little flap, and inside there is a travel bag. So the travel bag has a nice drawstring here with a button to kind of lock it in place. So it's a travel bag that is used to keep the headset kind of protected inside. And inside there's a little flap here that you can use to hold the dongle itself so you don't get lost. And then obviously you would keep the charging cable inside as well. And then inside as well, you've got this little card or kind of bit of paper that is all about the safety information and some additional stuff about, battery life and other bits and pieces. I'm going to put that aside. And then the actual headset itself. There you go. There's some nice product shots of the headset itself. Right. Nice kind of soft head cushion there. Nice soft ear cushions that twist to conform to different ear shapes. The actual microphone just swings down one side. You can also see it's got some additional microphones on the outside. I think those are for noise cancellation. I'll go through all the features in another video. This is just about the box, and that's about it. On the bottom of the headset are some buttons. You can see there, you got one for answer N. You got the USB-C port there, the power button, and obviously the volume up and down. And that's it. Now if I put the headset on, I think that's what's customary for these videos. You can adjust it with these little clicky things here to adjust it to the size of your head. The microphone is a good distance away from my mouth, but it's actually quite comfortable. It's very comfortable to wear. The head cushion is very comfortable. I don't have any hair in the way or anything, so obviously the head cushion is quite important to me. There you go. So one last thing to do is try and get all the things that were in the box in one shot. There you go. Some people do a second camera. I'm just going to hold it all like this and look a little bit awkward. And that's it. Thanks for watching the first unboxing video on Ditch the Box. If this has been useful or amusing, give us a like and stay tuned for more content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.